Hello guys, it's Saurabh and Ninad. Today we are going to shoot a short video to show you how to install Pycharm on Windows 10. So here we will type Pycharm in the browser. We will go on the link, that is www.jetbrains.com. Now on this window, you can search the download button. Now go on the download free open source button. As you can see in the right corner, the downloading has been started. We are having a nice speed. Now the downloading has been completed. Go in the downloads. Click on that setup. Now a setup wizard will appear. Go on clicking the next button until the install button comes. Click on that. Now the files are getting extracted. It will take some few minutes to complete the setup. Installation has been completed. Click on that finish button. Now you can search the software in the search menu or on the desktop. So thank you. Hello guys, it's Saurabh and